Gojo vs Goku. These two is the most powerful anime character in the anime series. Okay, so Gojo is Jujutsu Kaisen character and Goku is the main character of Dragon Ball. Okay, so in this video I'm going to compare both superheroes and we are going to find who is the winner. If they both fight, who is going to win, Goku or Gojo? So without time wasting, I'm starting the video. So I'm first starting with number one. So first in the number one, I'm gonna talk about raw strength and physical fix. Okay, who has more strength and physically fit? Okay, so first I'm gonna talk about Goku. Okay, so Goku literally can destroy planets with easily. Okay, even universes with his some form. If you don't know, Goku has some form Super Saiyan. It's called. Okay, and maybe with Ultra Instinct, superior Ultra Instinct, Goku can literally destroy universes and planets also, because that's a god type of power. Okay, definitely. And if you don't know, Goku literally fighted in Dragon Ball with a god, Beerus. Okay, Beerus is a god in the anime series of Dragon Ball. Okay, and Goku fought with them. Okay, and not just he fought with Beerus. He literally fighting with Jiren. Jiren is, if you don't know Dragon Ball, bro, just search Jiren. Okay, Jiren is, I mean, he's so powerful. Okay, Goku literally beat that guy. Okay, Jiren. So yes. So if I talk about Goku raw strength, physical fit, I'm gonna give him point 10 out of 10, and it's worth it. That's why I'm giving 10 out of 10. Literally superior because of Ultra Instinct. And by the way, Goku Ultra Instinct literally break the internet when he achieved that form. Okay, I think in 2023, 2024, I don't know the date, but yes, that's the fact. So now second I'm gonna talk about Gojo. Okay, so if I talk about Gojo is a superhuman. I'm not saying Gojo is big. Okay, Gojo is a superhuman who has superior strength. Okay, but still he is bound to Earth-based skill. Okay, I mean he can't destroy a planet comparison to Goku. Goku literally destroy a planet. Okay, but not planet. He can't destroy. Okay, but yes, he's so powerful. He has a god type of power, but comparison to Goku, he becomes weak. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. So if I talk about Gojo strength and physical fit, I'm gonna point him 7 out of 10. And yes, that's why I give Goku 10 of 10 and this guy 7 out of 10. Okay, so yes, this is not biased. This is the fact. Okay, that's why. So now I'm gonna second talk about. So in the second, I'm gonna talk about number 2, speed and reflexes. Okay, who has more speed? So first, I'm gonna talk about Goku. Bro, Goku is a faster than light. Okay, because of his Ultra Instinct. He literally traveling with this form faster than light. Okay, if you don't know, he is so powerful. Okay. If anyone fight with Goku, okay, if anyone going to fight with Gojo or any other, Goku literally slow the time with his form. Okay, so you can't touch him. He literally knows. He literally can slow the time between the fight. Okay, and he literally beat whoever in the opponent. Okay, Gojo or anyone. Okay. So in the speed, I'm gonna talk about. I'm gonna give point to Goku 10 out of 10, and I'm not exaggerating. Really, Goku is so fast. Okay, that's why I'm saying 10 out of 10. Now, second, I'm going to talk about Gojo. Okay, so Gojo is definitely really fast. Okay, I'm not gonna say he's not fast. I saw him. He's so powerful and he's so fast. Okay, he's very fast. But in a close combat, okay, Goku he can fight close and non-close. Okay, he can literally fight with distance speed. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. And Gojo as well can slow the time. Okay, to fight with his enemy, but not as powerful as Goku. Okay, Goku can literally slow the time much more precision, much more good comparison to Gojo. Definitely, I'm gonna give him comparison to Goku. Gojo speed is not that good. That's why I'm gonna give him the power, the point 7 out of 10, 7.5 out of 10. Okay. Now 3, I'm gonna talk about special techniques. Okay, who has more good technique, Goku or Gojo? Okay. So yeah, as usual, I'm gonna talk about first Goku. Goku has a Kai Blast. Okay, Kai Blast is type of something good power. Okay, he has an instant transmission. You can say he has a teleportation. Goku can teleport in just a microsecond. Okay, he's so fast. Okay, with the Ultra Instinct power of Goku has a new power called Ultra Instinct. It has a god type of power. Okay, because of this power, Goku can dodge automatically. I mean, automatically, because of their power. You are understanding what I'm trying to say. This power is just mad, okay? It's not that effective if Gojo use some powers, okay? Gojo has some unique power. If he use, can Goku going to be really tough time, okay? So yes, definitely this power is effective of Goku and Transking, auto dodging and everything, but comparison to Gojo, it's little weak, okay? That's why I'm gonna give him Goku 8 out of 10, okay? In the technique of powers, okay? Now I'm gonna talk about Gojo. Okay, so Gojo has one power called Infinity, okay? Infinity. I mean, in this power, you can't physically catch Gojo, okay? If Goku going to fight with Gojo, Goku can't catch Gojo because of this power infinite. That's why I gave him Goku 8 out of 10, okay? And he has a atom eraser of type power called the Holo Purple, okay? And it's so strongest power. And the third, he has a power of domain expansion. That's what I'm talking about. With this power, Goku going to be maybe lose. Not exactly, because of Uncrying Skin, we can't understand Uncrying Skin, okay? We can't underestimate Uncrying Skin, okay? But yes, because of domain expansion, Gojo going to overload the brain instantly, okay, of the enemy or whatever, okay? So that's why I'm gonna give Gojo point of 9.5 out of 10 comparison to Goku. Gojo going to win, maybe he has more chances in powers and techniques, okay? In special techniques, basically I'm gonna talking about. Now I'm gonna talk about number 4. In the number 4, I'm gonna talk about who can survive major attacks, okay? Who has more power to survive in the worst situation. So first I'm gonna talk about Goku. So if you don't know, Goku can literally survive the planet explosion, okay? But he injured, definitely. And he definitely, I said this in the starting of the video, Goku literally fought with God because, okay, God type of power, okay? Goku already fought with them, okay? And he has a Saiyan type of blood, okay? If you beat him, he will gonna become more powerful, okay? Okay. If he become angry, he will he will upgrade his more power, okay? He will become new Super Saiyan. He has literally, you can say, unlimited times of energies, okay? And he has a Senjubin as well. Senjubin gives Goku instant stamina, okay? This is the God type of beans, you can say. Overall, I'm gonna give Goku 9.5 out of 10. Now I'm gonna talk about Gojo. So in this technique, Gojo has two best power. It's regeneration. Gojo can regenerate himself so fast, okay? He has a power. And he can literally use reverse curse technique. I mean, whoever curse him, he can reverse that technique, okay? He has two major power. And Gojo has one more power called Infinite. I already talked this, okay? Because of Infinite, Goku can't damage Gojo much, okay? Too much. That's what I'm trying to say. You can say that Infinite is the protection of Gojo to damage that guy, okay? But if you are comparing with Goku, Goku is a Super Saiyan. He is a literally 50% human and 50% other species, okay? So comparison to Goku, he becomes little weak, okay? Because Goku has too much skin. Because of Uncrying Skin, he become more powerful, okay? So yes, I'm gonna give Gojo 8 out of 10. Goku has 9.5 out of 10, I guess. Yes, and Gojo has 8 out of 10. So definitely Goku is the winner in the number 4. If we are talking about who can survive major attacks, Goku can survive more major attacks comparison to Gojo. Now I'm gonna talk about number 5. Okay, so number 5, I'm gonna talk about best in IQ and experience. I mean, whoever has IQ and experience, that guy gonna win, okay? It doesn't matter what power you have. If you have IQ and experience, you are going to win. So first I'm gonna talk about Goku. Goku is a martial artist, okay? He's a genius in martial art, okay? He adapts fast. He already fought with definitely gods. God because he fought with God because he know how to fight with God, okay? He literally fought with 1,000, I mean, Goku has an experience of 1,000 battle, okay? I mean, this is insane. Overall, I'm gonna give him experience by IQ. Goku point, I'm gonna give Goku 9.5 out of 10, okay? Now I'm gonna talk about second, Gojo. So if I talk about Gojo, Gojo is very smart, okay? If you don't know, Gojo has a genius mind, okay? If he makes some plan, he plans definitely going to work. He has a good brain to create a good plan to fight with enemy, okay? comparison to Goku, he has no too much experience. Okay, Goku literally I said that Goku has a 1000 better experience. Okay, Gojo also have, but comparison to Goku it's not too much. Okay, definitely Gojo has a brain to use some special technique to definitely Goku going to be little weak, but if Goku use Anka instinct, definitely Gojo going to be erased. Definitely. Okay, so definitely I'm not saying Gojo is not strong, but comparing, if you are comparing with Gojo going to be little weak. Okay, and that's a fact. So definitely overall IQ I'm gonna give Gojo 8.5 out of 10. So definitely overall raw strength going to be winner Goku, speed Goku is the winner, but special technique Gojo is the winner. Okay, and durability, who can survive major attacks, Gojo going to win, and overall IQ Goku is the winner. So definitely the winner is 4-1. Goku is winner 4 times comparison to Gojo 1 times. I mean, I'm comparing Goku versus Gojo. So Goku going to win more compared. If give both 5, Gojo going to win lose and Goku going to win. I hope you like that video, and if you like, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be make this type of more videos. Okay, so I'm gonna meet you with next video. Tata, bye bye, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay.